Good morning. Weekend business standard. The markets on Friday. Sensex, this is the weekend. Nifty Sensex 38,854.6, up 14.2. Nifty 11,464.5, up 15.2. Nifty futures 11,467.1, 2.6. Dollar 73.5, same 73.5. Euro 87.1 is down 86.9. Brent crude 39.4, 39.1. Gold 10 grams 51,235. Change minus 35. Premium on Nifty spot previous close over previous close at 4 p.m. IST. Market rate exclusive of what and sources IBJ. ఇక మనం is once a handset gained, Nokia still has a potent weapon. World page number 8, back page. Dinsey Star gives digital push to IPL. గమనించండి మనం. Next, Tata Sons moves top court to Black Mystery Brookfield deals. India's industrial output contract at a slower pace. Now virus tracked, India records 96,551 cases in single day. India flash with funds, banks so little interest in repo OPS. Now not out of the woods yet. Sectorial preference. SEBI tweaks definition of multi-cap mutual fund. Kochi company gets nod to test drug for COVID. Fighting COVID. Next, Nifty this week momentum 11,334 and is coming to up and down. Stability 11,450. Now present back 1 month before I tell you is momentum 11,000 to 500 below is work. Now next week is up or down. Up is going to 11,550 or now is different problems is come or not. 11,150 is down. India China reach 5-point consensus. We have 100 days integration plan after L&T unit deals. Now next, Tata Motors pins hope on free cash flow to pay debt. Auto sells in the green after 9 months. DGCA asks to Indigo for report on safety violation on flight. Indigo operator operates over 1,700 cargo flight in 5 months. Now auto sells in the green after 9 months. Now Murugappa Group's parent firm to decide Wali Arnachalam's induction on September 21st. Moped sales see higher grounding segment in August since lockdown. Google sees high demand for cloud tech in India. Now Rail Vikas Nilayam Limited lines up a dozen investment this year. Adani Green is 1 billion from 10th foreign bank. Adani Green Energy is looking to tie up with 10 foreign banks to available of greenfield funding for it under construction assets. Adani Defense Arma acquired 51% stake in PLR system. Now, notice a business at your fingertips. Now, Ambani, now one in flyer in India to land or take off. India likely had 6.4 MN cases by May 0 survey. DPIIT startup rankings Gujarat retain top spot. SC decision on Anil Ambani to decided fate of other promoters. JSW still may be bid for Guntari Manan Pickers Oricon. Now, present House State file what COVID revealed merging man and missions. Sensex Nifty and flat IT stocks gains. Investors should have 15-20% exposure to global equities. MIF stock preferred rural place in financial space. Wealthy investors bought 9,000 crores on 2 tiny IPOs. Indian equity valuations and stretches report. Buying on e-policy sharing with family. IT. India China agree to de-escalate tensions. Now present news. Advanced Wipro is some uptrend momentum is going 20 rupees up. Healthcare institutes. Hub Estate Developer Limited. We have 100 days. Tata Sons. Kochi Company. India Industries. Now Harris Textiles Engineers Limited. This Singareni Kaldika Limited. The Binet Star gives digital push to IPL. Pen, paper and plain speak. Launch with BS. Vice Chairman Bharti Enterprises. Now, today, this news ends. Dhanyavad. Thank you very much. My name is Vai Channakeshwar Reddy. Namaste. Please subscribe my channel. Namaste.